Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see Greenlight card number on app. Well, it's very easy to do it. So first of all, you have to open your Greenlight mobile application, log in by using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the cards section. This can usually be found on the main dashboard or within the menu labeled such as card management or similar, right? So if you found this, if you have multiple green cards, for example, if you have different cards for different family members, select the specific card which detail you want to check or view. Look for an option such as card info or card details. Once you click on it, it will show your number, and for some cases it will ask you to verify your identity, which you can usually do it by entering a PIN, fingerprint or Face ID. After verifying your identity, you should be able to see the card number, expiration date and CVV and every detail about that card which is available, right? So if you're not able to find, because this is the steps, but if you're facing some kind of issue, just go and check your app settings, and the best solution I will advise you, just contact customer support. Open the green light and you have to click on the top right, which is basically the settings of menu. There you will find option of help or support. Use the provided contact option. You can chat them, email or phone to reach out the green light customer service for assistance. They will help you to find your card details. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.